Hello and welcome to NG Academy. I'm Moiz here, and today we're going to learn about slope part 2. So in the previous video we talked about how to find the slope from a coordinate plane. And in this video I want to start to use the formula, and I wanted to figure out the steepness of a line using the two coordinate values, 2 points on a coordinate plane. So they tell us to order the lines from least to greatest, just like the previous video. So let's start off, and least steepness is obviously this one right here because it's flat. And let's use the formula to figure out the steepness of this. So first we take the y2 minus y1. So y2, I'm going to make my y2 negative 4, but it doesn't matter because they both are the same. So negative 4 minus 4 divided by 7, negative 7 divided by negative 2. Negative 7 minus negative 2. So when you have double negatives, that just becomes a positive. So I like to do that. And negative 4 plus 4 just becomes 0 divided by negative 7 plus 2 is negative 5. So when 0 is on the top, you know that the slope is 0. Because 0 divided by anything is just 0. So purple slope is 0. Therefore, it is the least steepest out of all of them. So I'll just write it down. And let's move on to this pink right here. This light pink right here seems less steeper than the others. So let's do the equation for this one. And the y2 is going to be 0. And the y1 is going to be negative 2. So 0 minus negative 2 divided by x2, which is again 0, minus x1, which is negative 4. So 0 minus negative 4. And we get, this becomes positive. 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 4 is 4. This simplifies to a slope of 1/2. Okay, so the pink has a slope of 1/2. And let me just write that, put that down. And let's do the aqua one now. This one right here. So this the y2 for this one is going to be 7, or y1 is going to be 5. So 7 minus 5 divided by negative 7 minus negative 1. So this becomes positive. And 7 minus 5 is 2 divided by negative 7 plus 1, which is negative 6. This simplifies to 1 over negative 3. So it's negative 1/3. And we'll just write that down. Okay, there. Now for the next one, we'll do this darker blue here. This blue right here. So y2 is going to be, let me get the color. y2 is going to be 5 minus 2, or y2 is going to be 5. And y1 is going to be 2. 5 minus 2 divided by negative 4 minus negative 8. Negative 4 minus negative 8. Which equals to 5 minus 2 is 3 over 4. So the blue has a slope of 3/4. Let's put that down. And next we'll do red. So we'll get the y2. y2 is going to be negative 2. Negative 2 minus 7 divided by 4 minus negative 7. So this becomes positive, and we get negative 2 minus 7, which is negative 9, and 4 plus 7, which is 11. So the slope for this is negative 9 over 11. And let's put that down. Next, we'll do orange right here. And the y2 for this is negative 4 minus negative 8 divided by 4 minus 1, which gets us negative 4 plus 8, which is 4, divided by 3. So the slope for this is 4 divided over 3. Let's put that down. And then next we'll take a look at green, this one right here. So the y2 is going to be 8 minus 3 divided by 7 minus 4. And we get 8 minus 3 is 5 divided by 7 minus 4, which is 3. So the slope for this is 5/3. So we'll put that down. And next we have yellow, this one right here. Let me get the color. We'll do 9 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 1. That gets us 7 divided by 2. Our slope is 7 divided by 2. Let's put that there. And then our final one, which is pretty obvious right here. It's the steepest out of all of them. But this doesn't really have a slope. So let me scroll down and I'll show you why. And the y2 is going to be -4. The y2 for this is going to be -4 minus 9. And the x2 is going to be -9 minus -9, x1. This becomes -4 minus 9 is -13 divided by 0. So remember earlier when I said that if the 0 is on the top, it is a 0 slope, but if it's on the bottom, it becomes an undefined slope. So for the white, we're going to put undefined slope. And that is just a straight line. And notice that when it's parallel to the y-axis, the x-coordinates are the same. And for our 0 slope, when it's parallel to the x-axis, our y-coordinates are the same. So here we have our list from the steepness of the lines from least to greatest and steepness, and hope you guys had a great hope you guys got a better understanding of what slope is from these two parts. In the first part, we learned how to figure out slope from a coordinate plane without using the formula. These two are the same thing, but it's just used different in a coordinate plane and used differently when you just have two sets of coordinates and you're trying to figure out the slope. Okay, thank you guys. See you. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos.